Hey, this is Dave from housebearings.com. Today we're going to show you how to install pegboard and take a disorganized garage and make everything easy to find and completely organized. So let's get started. Together with my brother Rich and son Caleb, we show you how to do a job yourself and save a lot of money in the process. Right now it's not utilized very well as far as storage goes. This is the wall that we're going to begin with, and we're going to go ahead and put pegboard the whole length of it. I just have box upon box of just tools, and they're randomly scattered everywhere, and it's time to get organized. All right, so we got the bottom two rows, or the bottom row and the middle row for this wall. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the top rail to the pegboard itself, and then we'll hang it. All right, that space right there, I scribed that. I'm going to cut that out, and that will fit over the outlet. We also added a little block right there. This is 27.5 inches from the bottom, and so it's going to rest right there on this middle bar, and just give us an extra arm as we're attaching it. Well, it definitely took more time to put the tools on the pegboard and get it all arranged. In the end, it's well worth the effort. In all, we've got about 16 feet of pegboard and still have just a little bit more room for expansion, but in all, that really was worth the project. It really makes your garage so much more organized. I desperately needed that. The process is pretty simple, but the most time that's consumed in this project is when you're trying to organize the tools on the pegboard itself. It's really amazing to see how pegboard can make such a difference in completely organizing your garage, making it so that you can find any tool that you're looking for. I hope this video helps. If you got any questions, drop us a line in the comment section below. If you got anything out of this, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.